Hi beautiful, and welcome back to another video, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, this look is a Nigerian bridal eye makeup look. It was inspired by that because we love colors, and I decided to play in some colors. Okay, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. First, I went in with the Blossom Spotless Concealer as an eyeshadow base. And now I am going in with a powder palette, a brown from the powder palette, just to create a transition. Okay, that is what I'm doing right now. And after that is blended, I'm going to go into this shade. It is a bit red on the palette, but once I apply, it turned pink. Yeah, so I'm going to place that in the crease region, as you can see. And I'm making sure to lift the brows so that I can have control of the colors, because I wanted that to be in the crease. Okay, so now I am blending that thoroughly. Once I apply, I'm going to make sure I blend, and once I finish packing that on the crease, I'm going to blend it upwards into the first transition shade. Okay, so as you can see, I am blending that into the first transition shade. Now I'm going back in with that first brush to blend those two colors together so that they can be like really seamless. Okay, so next I'm going to just apply a tad bit of concealer there, just to make sure I get the most out of this eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to go into this dark blue shade. It was purple on the palette, but once I applied it, it turned blue, but it's fine. It's still amazing. It's a beautiful color. So I'm just going to pack that on the lid. Now you want to make sure you press this in so that you don't have loads of fallout. Also, my beautifuls, if you want to see the full look, the full tutorial on this look, please follow me on Instagram. Yes, at _beauty_HQ. I posted a full tutorial there and you're going to love it. Okay, so now I went in with that same brush that I used to apply the pink shade, and I'm just going to blend the blue and the pink just to make sure everything is seamless. And I went in with that same brush to blend it up, and these are just the 3 brushes that I use, so this is like really beginner friendly. Moving on, I'm going into glitter glue and this purple glitter. And for this glitter, this is not like a precise application, I just placed that on the lid. I used my fingers. I just scattered glitter on the eyelid. I just wanted the eyes to pop. Okay, so that is why, hence the application is like that. Okay, so I'm going in with this is Kiss Beauty. Yes, Kiss Beauty gel liner. And I'm going to use that to line the water. Do a tight line first and also do the water line. But before then, I'm going into this Blossom mascara to coat the lashes. Yes. So next, I'll be going in to line the waterline. Now for the under eye blend, I went in with the exact shades that I used for the lid, and I'm just going to do same for the lower lash line. So I'm using a flat brush and I'm taking the blue first, and I'm going to smudge the under eye. You want to be careful. Yes, so next I'll go in with that pink shade to blend it out. Yep. See, the whole look is coming together. Next, we're going to pop lashes, and you will see how it transformed this face. Okay, so after applying the lashes, I went into mascara to coat the lashes, and this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and until the next video, make sure to stay beautiful. Bye bye.